Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. So today is part 2 of the CC Rider motorcycle seat. So we got it in from them just recently. I'm really stoked on this. My brother Metro right here has this beautiful red Harley Davidson Road King, and they just happen to have red stitching, so I'm like, I know exactly who could use this seat. So he is going to install it, show you how to do that, and let's see how it turns out. I'm stoked, for real. So roll that intro, let's get into it.
Alright, so my brother Barricade hooked me up with this seat, and let's go ahead and install it. I'd like to show you guys the seat right here. Come on over. This is the seat. It comes with the little bolts for it, like for everything. It comes with everything. It even comes with this little thing here, like the passenger.
Oh shit handle?
Are we able to say that? Yeah. Okay, yeah. It comes with this, but I don't use it, and when my wife rides with me, she does not use it. So we're not going to install this one, but we're definitely going to put this on the bike. Let's get started. Let's get into this.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to be taking off the seat. So right here behind the seat there's just this one little bolt. So removing the seat is a very easy thing to do. So removing the seat, you can get to your battery, you can get to some wires, connections and whatnot. And so this skill is pretty essential for owning a motorcycle and doing some your own maintenance. So what he's doing, he's pulling it out. So right here, you see, so that needs to go through here to keep it cinched in place. So it prevents the seat from flying off, and when you're going high speeds down the freeway, you don't fly off your bike. So right here, you got the same port, and this is going to go inside of it. So he's going to push down the front and push it forward until that spot penetrates the hole. So sometimes it can be a tight fit, and it can be challenging to install. So this part right here, so look at the bottom. So right here, this is going to be where it bolts in down there, and this is going to go right below here, and where it's right on top, going to stick in, and it's going to hold the seat in place. Now he's just bolting it in. So if you're looking to change out your seat, this is one of the easiest installs you can possibly do. And if you're looking to save some money on a nice quality seat, definitely check this seat out. The link will be down in the descriptions.
I like it.
Metro here is stoked as well. He got a seat out of this. So this seat is made by CC Rider. It is pretty legit. So I'm really digging it. So is he. It's comfortable to sit on. It's beautiful to look at, and
we'll see the
his favorite color.
We'll see the comfort level when we go on the trip.
Yes, so this video might come out after the trip, so I will add another review to the very end of this before I'll add it to the end. So if you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, help support this channel. If you're interested in this product, the link will definitely be in the description, and there will be a 5% discount on it. So yeah, and as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride. All right, the review on the seat, we had to postpone a ride, so a few personal things had to be taken care of, but we still got a few rides in, not as far as we had anticipated, but got some good rides in. He's rode to and from work and whatnot, and he's really digging this seat. He says it's extremely comfortable, especially after a couple hundred miles of breaking it in. I absolutely give this seat 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend it. And if you're interested, I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the 3,000 subscriber giveaways coming up very soon.